Good morning. It has been an extraordinarily long time since I've created a vlog, but one of my goals for this year is to get back into vlogging again, particularly on days that I am DIYing or doing a project that I feel would just translate in a different way in long form video. And I wanted to show all of you the behind the scenes and everything that goes into these projects that I am working on. I wish I would have done this when I was fixing up the A-frame, honestly, but you live and you learn. We have a lot of renovations going on our home this year. A few videos back, you can see our renovation phase 1. I actually did document all that. But today is a really exciting day because my dad is in town and we're gonna start working on the upstairs. I'm gonna create a space up there for my kids, but I have really cool plans. But let me bring you up there and show you what it looks like now, and then I'm gonna bring you through our day. So I didn't truly take a before of this space, but you can kind of see what it looked like because the skylight blinds are closed, and these are Velux skylights. They're solar powered, so they are not plugged in anywhere. They do not run on batteries. They run on sunlight. It's not a true before, but the before had no skylights. So we just had these 3 skylights installed, and now we're gonna be working on finishing this space. We're borrowing a table saw from my neighbor. My dad is wheeling it, putting him to work. We are getting our coffee, powering up before we start working. Matt's helping on this one. We are gonna start in that corner.
Look at this shit wall.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, don't you have a better level than that?
No. So we're doing liquid nails. We're adding liquid nails to adhere it to the wall. Now we're taking the outlet covers off because this is the part that's a little bit complicated. We have to measure to see where to cut out for the outlet hole. Look at this, Dad. They already have that. There it is. We've marked out outlet cover 1 of 3. So now we're gonna go cut it out. Okay, so the first thing that you wanna do in cutting out your outlet holes is drill the corners. So we're about to do that now. And then you go in with your jigsaw. So we'll show you how we do it. Oh, look at that. Pretty good.
Look at that, perfect height.
Yeah. Is it level?
The level? It's right on the floor, underneath it.
I know.
Wait, seem good?
She is level. Good job, team.
Dad used to say about, next thing you'll be scratching your balls and you don't even know them.
This is Oscar gold winning vlog.
It's okay, moment of truth on this one.
Truth will set you free,
Oh,
bitches.
it's pretty good.
Don't mess with my ass. I know what I'm doing.
Pretty
now.
good.
I learned how to do it
Spot
right.
on. We're now cutting our final piece. So we wrapped the beadboard around a corner, and because we did that, we're cutting it at a 45 so that it meets perfectly and it creates like a nice edge. So we took the table saw and it actually is adjustable. So
Oh wait.
You can adjust it so that it cuts a nice 45.
Turn it over.
This is our last piece that we're cutting down, and then we'll be done. Perfectly lined up at a 45. So I'm now gonna put the outlet covers back on. So the trick in getting these back on is that you kind of have to pop it out a little bit. You see how it's inset right now? So you kind of have to unscrew this a bit so that this metal piece that you're screwing into is flush with the wood, and then you can screw it back in. But sometimes it gets caught behind the wood. You see how this one's caught a little bit? So you gotta be, kind of pop it out. There we go. You can feel when it catches, but you don't wanna screw it in too tight or you can crack it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna caulk my holes. So you see how there's like all these little holes here from the nail gun? I'm gonna take putty and caulk and just like patch up all the little defects, and then I go back in and I sand it down. I'm gonna leave you here, and I'll check back in whenever I am adding wallpaper, and I'll film another vlog about that journey and painting all of this. And I hope this was enlightening to some of you about how chaotic it can be behind the scenes doing these projects. But in the end, it's always worth it to me. And I can't wait to show you what this room is gonna turn into. I'll see you next time.